Welcome. If you want to take control of your personal information on Pinterest, especially as the platform integrates more generative AI features, it's important to know how to request your data through the latest GenAI settings. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to do this using the Pinterest app, so you can access the information Pinterest has collected about your activity and preferences. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account for which you want to request data. Once the app is open, head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right of your screen. Next, at the top of your profile page, tap on your profile picture. This will bring up your account options and settings. From here, look for the menu labeled Privacy and Data. Tap on it to access all your privacy controls. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled GenAI. This is where Pinterest manages settings related to its generative AI features, including how your data is used and how you can request a copy of it. Tap on Request Your Data under the GenAI section. Pinterest will then guide you through the process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may be asked to confirm your identity or verify your email address to ensure your data stays secure. Once you've completed the steps, Pinterest will process your request and notify you when your data is ready to download. With the growing use of AI on platforms like Pinterest, understanding and managing your data is more important than ever. By following these steps, you can stay informed about what information Pinterest holds about you and how it's being used, giving you greater transparency and control over your online presence. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who want to take charge of their data privacy on Pinterest. Stay tuned for more tips on navigating the digital world safely and confidently.